Homework set number 1. I would like you first to take this set of classes in the hierarchy here and implement these classes, just the classes with pass function, with pass item. Don't implement the data or the functions. And in a similar way, I would like you to take this class diagram and implement it. Again, just class level. In the third problem, while we were talking with the customer, he mentioned the following. In our system, customers may pay money with cash, check, credit, or debit card. And also we know that each order in the system should indicate how money was paid. I would like you to design a set of classes, no attributes, no functions, no methods, that represent this statement. In reality, no one is going to give you the class diagram. And when we talk to the customers, we just take a bunch of statements that we should think a lot about them and ask a lot of questions for them so that we learn about the factual parts in our system and design it. So try to go and make one step in that. That's all.